Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. I've got a bit of a surprise for everybody, so I wanted to show you personally. Now, he's come for a very long way away and he's a little bit shy, so I'm not too sure if he's going to say anything today, but I really wanted to take this opportunity to welcome you to the newest member of the Stories to Grow with family, Wilbur. Wilbur, would you like to come up and say hello? What do you mean no? Hang on 2 seconds. What do you mean no? I thought we'd discussed this. You were going to come and say hello to the children. No. They're not scary at all. No, they're not going to laugh at you. Sorry, shouldn't be too long. Wilbur's a little bit nervous. Why don't you just stick your head up a little bit and say hello? Do you want to have a little look? You do? Okay, well just try a little bit. Just you look fine. Don't worry, you look fine. Oh, see, that wasn't too bad, was it? No, have another go. Oh, see? It's okay, isn't it? Would you like to say hello? You don't? Right. That tickles. Right. Okay. It's absolutely fine to be a little bit nervous, isn't it? Yes. Well, why don't you just wave hello? What do you think? There. Is that all right? You're still a little bit shy. Okay, well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Wilbur, that's you. It's all right, don't worry. Wilbur is going to be joining us now to read stories, aren't you, Wilbur? Yes, so I hope that you will join us for our upcoming stories this year with the help of Wilbur, who will be reading and singing and dancing, won't you? What do you mean you don't dance? You told me you dance. But you feel shy. You just want to do the singing. And you don't want to do any dancing at all. Oh, well, that's fine. Okay? Yeah? Anyway, well, we hope you enjoyed today's stories and we look forward to seeing you soon. You're going to say bye. Was that okay? You happy? Yeah?